morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. Today, I will be talking about how to trade boom and crash without fear. How to trade boom and crash without fear. And it's a privilege to welcome you to today's video. Alright, looking at the chart, this is a boom 1000 chart. And if you really observe, boom 1000 has been on a downtrend since yesterday. Reason why I decided to short this market is because I believe that this is a pullback. What the market is doing here is just a pullback, because this is a long drop that has not this low. All right, so I'm looking at shorting this market till possibly 9 p.m. today. All right, when you consider trading boom and crash without fear, one of the things you should look at, the most important factor, is size, your lot size. So we are going to look at this. Currently there is a running trade, and you can see when I made a video on how to trade boom and crash without fear, watch that video, you can make reference to it. I said that one of the things you need to keep at heart is your lot size. And still in that video, I said if you don't have up to $30 account, you should trade 0.02. The reason is because it will allow you to trade in a more relaxed way. Avoid scalping. Try to learn how to day trade and how to swing trade with that lot size. And today I have done a practical session of it in this video, where you can see that the 0.02 that I talked about has been able to give me 70 cents. That is roughly 35 pips. That's roughly 35 pips. If I had used let's say 0.20, that 35 pips would have given me $7 plus. But still, because the account is on a 16.25 to a 17.54 range, let us use these little lot sizes. Now, the reason why I could have allowed my trade to run this long, 35 pips here and 29 pips here, is simply because I am using these lot sizes. So one of the things you need to keep at heart if you are going to be a profitable trader in boom and crash market is understanding your leverage power, which has to do more or less with number one, your lot size, number two, your trading positions. Having a good understanding of this will save you a whole lot. Now, amongst other things that I talked about were, alright, so to save our time, I decided to bring out the publication from the blog. If you've never visited the blog, please do well to do so. It is Motivation Africa. So just Google how to trade boom and crash without fear. You see the Motivation Africa. Alright, one of the things I said was mind preparation. That when you prepare your mind, you will trade fear proof. And if I should make reference to that here, you will get to realize that when I started trading here, you saw that one of the things I did was to get myself ready. I knew the lot size I was going to trade, and I knew the markets I was going to trade. So this, you can see the trade is increasing in profits. So once you prepare yourself and you prepare your mind, you know exactly what to do and how well to do it. So currently you can see I missed this trade because I overslept and I forgot but knowing too well where the trade is heading to is why I decided to pick it. Now, once it gets close to that zone, of course it is at that zone already, I should make plans to close. It's at that zone as we speak, so I should make plans to close this trade at this profit level. Why am I sharing this with you? If you don't prepare your mind to, as regards the lot size, as regards the market you're going to trade, you're definitely going to make a repeated mistake. As at yesterday, this account was at $6 and today is at what, 17 US dollars. I need you to practice this again and again, and please avoid the trap of fellow traders telling you can flip $6 to $1,000 in one day. In as much as that is true, I need you to understand one thing, that can also mean you losing your money. So why not take a more boring path that is certain and you're sure of making your money? I think that way you will have a more stable way to trade. So as you practice this simple way of understanding the power of your lot size and following the trend of the market, I see you succeeding. Have the best of time. I remain a Henry. And please, if this video has been very successful in helping you understand how you can grow your little account, I beg you, subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and do well to share it with your friends. Thank you.